This is just a reminder that these tools work. I use them to contact the librarians myself, and you can see that they are available on the weekend for help. There's a new database that's just been placed in here. So hit Research Databases. There they are. And the name of this database is, scroll it down to Opposing Viewpoints in Context. Let's take a look. I'm logging in. And you can see there's a variety of issues that you can explore that may indeed relate to one of the topics that you're selecting. Look at them all. Quite a bit. So you might want to use this tool in your research of particular business areas, such as agriculture. And I'm positive my face-to-face students would be using a paper on ag. So there it is, a new feature in the Fort Hays State University Library.